A lovely bird in the garden. Look at the pictures. Read aloud and present the conversation. चित्रे पहा, संवाद मोठ्याने वाचा आणि सादर करा. मीना काकी said, there is a lovely bird in the garden. Can you see it? Madhu Kaka said, no. Where is it? Meena Kaki said, there. On that branch. Under the mango tree. Behind that bush. In the coconut tree. Near the stones. In front of that plant. Madhu Kaka said, oh yes, I can see it now. What a lovely bird.